Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft, and today, I don't know what I'm doing. But, we'll be just looking for the past videos other videos I've been doing. So yeah, let's get straight in. By the way, hold on a second, you're just not gonna see me for a second. Okay, bye. Okay, and I'm back. No, I do not only have these videos. I have other videos, vids, all of these. Not much, actually. Channel. Playlist about 0 comments? Stats. This has 10 views? Absurd. I didn't know. Okay. You're just gonna see me just. Gah! Da da da! Giga! Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Not the best. If you don't see that, you just stay here. They can't watch it. You stay here for now, actually. But where'd you go? 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 Hello? Okay, that's the end of that. Guys, I'm very sorry this video was short, but I guess I have to end it here. Bye. See you tomorrow.